talking about going out on dates this weekend along with the prom. Alam mo, malapit ng prom season, no?
Malapit.
Marlu Colina is here, our kababayan makeup artist who now has his own makeup line and his salon in Long Beach. We're going to be talking about that today also. But before, earlier we talked about having you give us prom makeup tips, correct?
Yes.
And later, makikita po natin ang big reveal. But for now, here is a picture of our associate producer here on the show who was so gracious enough to lend us her face for Marlu's canvas today. This is Maureen, and this is the before shot. And now we'll see her after Marlu has done his magic on her. All right. Hey, you're ready for the prom, Maureen. Very pretty. Marlu, what did you do on her face? Ano bang mga tips na pwede naming makuha?
Actually, this is the classic smoky eye technique, which is everyone just love to do this. Every day, every time they come to the salon, they request this. It's basic, and you can do it in 10 minutes. It's basic brown and black eyeshadow. You blend it together, and then you just have to give it a little push to make it more dramatic. And it's very easy, and they could actually learn it at the salon too.
And Patrick is one of Marlu's senior makeup stylists who will do the work on Maureen for now, some touch-ups, no? Let's take a look at the brows first. Okay. Ano bang usong brow ngayon? Thick and bushy or light and what? I know.
Thick and clean.
Thick and clean.
Thick and clean, and a little lighter than your regular like regular hair.
So okay.
Most of the trends right now is what they're doing is they try to tint the eyebrows a little bit with lighter color and put a little brown shade on it.
Okay. And now let's go to the eyes. What did you do on the eyes, and Patrick will show us?
Very classic smoky eye technique. What we do is we dab a little brown color or a coffee color on her eye area, and at the same time we blended it with a little charcoal and like a carbon color, which is close to black.
I always hear about that, putting brown. We don't see the brown, but why is it essential to put a base of brown?
Because you wanted to blend it in a softer way. You just don't want like a black eye kind of thing in there. You know, you still wanted to make it more subtle, even though it's black. Pero nakikita mo pa rin na meron pa rin siyang blending technique.
Okay, and I see that there's different kinds of makeup, no, especially for the eyes. And I see that when Maureen closes her eyes, we see that the corners, inner corner, closer to the nose, are darker.
Yes.
Pa-bright ng pa-bright. What does that do to the eyes?
What we do is we try to push a little darker dito sa baba, and then we go up lighter.
Bakit ganon? What does that? Does that make your eyes look
It makes it pop out. That's the thing. That's why you always make it lighter on top and then darker sa baba. Open your eyes, my dear. So see, when you focus on your eyes, you only focus the eye, not actually the whole lid.
Okay, just the eye. Now, I see a little bit of something underneath the eye. Some people, nilalampas nila yan to make it more smoky.
Yes.
Pero with here, parang it's more defined, no?
It's more defined because, first of all, we have to consider also the kind of personality our client has. When you do runway shows, when you do events like photo shoots, maybe you could go over the top. But of course, when the clients come to the salon, they don't wear makeup every day. That's why they come to the salon. So we always try to assess clients as well. How is their lifestyle every day? Di ba sila masyashock pag ginawa natin nila super makeup naman sila paglabas nila? So you have to assess the client. So as we see, she's a very simple girl who just wanted to have a makeup for the prom.
Right. Very pretty. Ngayon, yung eyeliner, is it important? Is it a must?
Yes, it's a must. It's a must because this will complete the whole eye makeup. If you don't use black eyeliner, at least you would use like a certain color para man lang to define that area there. Otherwise, it's gonna make the eyes look very doopy. And
I always hear that in also to define, you have to put the highlighter dun sa ilalim ng eyebrows, correct?
You could and you could not.
So
it's not a necessity. I would say if you're a person who's 45 or over, you don't want to put a lot of shimmer in the eyebrow area because this will make the pictures look really old.
Okay. And now the blush.
The blush. First, we have to do contouring, and then after that, we make the person smile, and then you apply pink on the cheeks of the client.
Okay, when you do contouring and then when you apply pink on the cheeks, do you use different brushes for that?
You use different brushes, or if you're you've been in the industry for quite a while, we kind of like, not
You
do
can
that
blend it,
anymore.
right?
We just blend it. So may mga techniques din.
Are there trends right now in terms of makeup? Do you make it more pink? Because there was a time, usually pag summer, it's just bronzer.
It's just
Pero
bronzer.
pag for this time of the year,
For spring, yes, we use pink. Pink tones, more fresh, more light, more nice to the aura of the person.
right.
And then when it comes summer, people get tan, so you
Right.
can't just use pink because otherwise it's going to look different in their skin tone.
And speaking of pink, ang lip color niya is also pink.
Pink?
Tayong mga Asians usually yellow or orange undertone,
We're red undertone.
red undertone.
We have a lot of red undertones.
So anong magandang lip color for us?
Asians, I definitely would suggest let's use natural color because our skin is very beautiful already. Some moms would like to have red color, pero with young teenagers, I would suggest they would use natural lip tones.
Ayan.
In that way, it would also make the eyes pop out.
It makes Maureen really look sweet, and which is a good makeup for somebody who's going to the prom, right? Because you don't want to
Yes.
look overboard, right? But then at the same time, I like syempre, we're not going to forget the hair. What did you do to the hair?
Hair, just a little curl. I mean, very, very classic na curl that, simple. And then it also is just a quick thing.
Right.
So it's not like it's over the top. But of course, to some girls, they come to the salon, they want it more, over the top. She's just very simple.
Right. And so for a makeup like this, how long did it take you? For the full look, huh?
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yes, 10 minutes, and there's a technique for that.
Right. And you know what? If you call Marlu Salon, or if you go to their website, marlucolina.com, you get to talk to Marlu and schedule appointments now, because I hear when you go to your salon, we get to pick if you want you. Diba? Ikaw talaga yung gumagawa. But we have to call in advance, maybe what, 6 months in advance?
They could call about 2 weeks in advance. If they have special occasions, they could just call 562-988-3101.
562-988-3101. That's the website also on the screen. Thank you so much.
Thank you
and
for
more
having
power
me
to you.
here.
Thank you, Patrick, and thank you, Maureen. We will be back for more How to Win Mountain High Resort tickets when we return. Don't go away.
Ang Kababayan LA ay hatid sa inyo ng McDonald's. Anong mga bagong McCafe Espresso drinks? McDonald's na ba ang inyong bagong coffee house? Ang mga bagong McCafe Espresso